Desi boys की hot, glamorous, sexy teacher Chitrangada can never go wrong when it comes to romancing the lens. We bring you Chitrangada's latest photo shoot, जहां वो लग रही हैं super glam and at the same time super cool. But before we proceed, let's find out कि ये photo shoot चित्रांगदा कर क्यों रही हैं.
अपने लिए कर रही थी कुछ, just wanted to see कुछ अलग try करने के लिए, try some experiment with some clothes, some hair. And I love shooting with Rohan Shrestha. He's fantastic and he was wanting to shoot as well, so we all just got together and having fun.
Well, चित्रांगदा का just like that shoot तो लग रहा है काफी interesting. तो आइए सबसे पहले डालते हैं नजर चित्रांगदा के पहले गेटअप पर. यहाँ चित्रांगदा ने चूज किया to look super glam. Chitrangada is posing here wearing a golden beige satin gown with a naughty neckline. उनके बाल हैं super flirtatious with big curls and her dramatic red lipstick completes her look perfectly. Chitrangada surely likes it.
We thought कुछ glamorous भी करना चाहिए, कुछ soft होना चाहिए, कुछ girly होना चाहिए. So that was my glamorous bit that I was doing. It was all very satiny and fitted and everything. So we did red lips and we did the hair, बहुत ही glamorous and nice big curls. So yeah, that was my glamorous look of the day.
उनका second look है काफी interesting. A fitted formal black shirt with a very casual t-shirt and the straps on the skirt make this entire look very different. वैसे इस look की है एक और खास बात और वो क्या है ये खुद बताएंगी हमें चित्रांगदा.
I love this thing that Nisha has put together. She styled the shoot today. बहुत ही structured सी formal skirt है. So when I saw it, I thought कुछ थोड़ा और casual करते हैं. So she got this t-shirt and she ripped it. She cut it up and she put it with this. I think she steamed it up beautifully. तो बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है.
Well, चित्रांगदा के इस लुक के लिए तो टी-शर्ट क्रॉप की गई, but let's find out from her कि क्या रियल लाइफ में भी वो अपने कपड़ों पर कैंची चलाती हैं to make them look more stylish.
Yes, I've done that a lot. Especially मेरी जो टी-शर्ट्स हैं, after a while they keep going shorter and यहाँ से काट दो, ये कर दो, neck बड़ा कर दो, have it drop off the shoulder. So a lot of experimenting, with my t-shirts especially.
In that case, चित्रांगदा, आपकी मम्मी ने कभी आपको इस आदत के लिए टोका नहीं क्या?
Well, नहीं, I mean जब तक उनको शौक लगने की स्टेज थी तब तक I wasn't really that wild. I think it's when you start paying for your own clothes is when you want to start experimenting. So after that, I think they all get very okay and parents are okay कि चलो ठीक है अपने आप खरीद रहे हो अपने पैसे खर्च कर रहे हो ठीक है कोई बात नहीं. So no shocks from my mom at all. Actually, I did something. उनका एक I still remember it was a very old one of her शादी का suits that she had. There was a dupatta that she had which was very heavy. I went and ordered a kurta for myself out of that. So she was like, इसका दुपट्टा कहाँ गया है? So I went and like it's here. I've got a kurta. It was looking very beautiful. So thankfully she didn't freak out. But I've done that to her once. Yes.
You're really lucky on that one, Chitrangada. And so are your fans, जिन्हें आपकी इस creativity की वजह से देखने को मिलता है आपका ultra glam super hot अवतार. For Kirti Tarang, Zoom, Mumbai.